Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Belle Chains. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video. I know I'm sorry, but I've been busy with my semester internship studies assignments and everything. I'm so sorry, but today I decided to make a video because we are all in quarantine. It's been 3 days since I'm in quarantine. I can't leave, so I figured I should make a video. And today's video is about baking a cake. So my family has this one recipe of traditional sponge cake where we often do whenever, like it's like not for a special occasion, but we do it like whenever we want to, whenever we feel like we want to. So in today's video I will show the cake, like how I'll do it, the recipe, and the outcome of the cake. And today I have someone special featuring with me. It will be
Hi
everyone. It's Dina. It's my sister, so she'll be co-helping me in baking.
Actually, I was forced to help her. Actually,
she has to help me because I have no one. I can't do it alone, you know. So yeah, let's start. All right. So right now I have all the equipment, ingredients, whatever you call it. So we have this mixer right here, bowl, and next we also have condensed milk or sweetened milk. You know, we need this. We also have this flour. It's a self-raising flour, so you don't need baking powder for it. But if you use like the normal baking powder, if you use normal flour, you will need a baking powder for it. So yeah, it depends. So this one will be easier, a lot easier. Next, you also need a rose flavor. It's just for some flavor, you know. And also we need eggs, like lots of eggs. In this video, I'll be using 6 eggs. Ooh, that's a lot of eggs. Next, this is like the most, like the key ingredient to it, which is margarine. Some people use butter, some people use margarine. Doesn't matter. Yeah. A disclaimer: my mom will be guiding this baking thingy. She's actually behind the phone. She's very strict, so bear with her. Asian mom. Okay, so what do we need to do first? Take the sugar. Okay. This is the blended sugar. What do we call this?
oh, we really blend.
It's like a fine sugar. You can blend it yourself or you can buy it at the store. I don't know what the term calls. So, how much do we need? 1 cup.
2 cups.
2 cups. Alright, so 1 cup, pour inside this bowl. So get another 1 cup. Just bear with me. Just keep pouring in. So this is the margarine. Put it in this ice cream box, container, whatever. This is the margarine that we have. It's made in Malaysia. So next is put the margarine inside a cup. Okay. So it's 2 cups of margarine. I love margarine so much. You can replace margarine with butter. It's up to you, but we don't have butter, so we do this. Make sure it's 1 cup. I think it'll be 1 cup. You can just like. So right now you take the mixer and you just whisk or stir it. In the bowl it has margarine and the sugar that we have poured inside. So I asked my mom to hold the camera for me. That's why the angle became like that, but that's fine. So my mom is pouring flour into a cup, so we'll be needing 2 cups of it. So after mixing for quite a while, as you can see, the texture has become really good. This is the batter. Everything that we've mixed, like eggs and milk and flour, everything turns out like this. And as you can see, the texture is so nice. And now you can pour it in a place. And here we go, the cake.